One of the things that we have across our state, across our Commonwealth, we have so many teachers that go in each and every day and give their absolute best. We talk about it being all in, trying to give students the opportunity to dream, the opportunity to persist, and of course the opportunity to succeed. And what really makes that possible are those special teachers that build strong relationships. And getting to know Jenna and her background, that was one of the characteristics that set her apart, is just taking the time to make sure the students understood who she was, she understands who they are. And again, we have a lot of teachers that build those relationships, but one of the things that sets her apart is making sure that not only does she have those strong relationships, she has such high expectations for her students inside the classroom. And in talking with her students a little bit earlier, they have a profound love for her. And there were so many students that were crying more than she was in her own class. So just seeing how her students reacted to her winning the award was as special as seeing her getting the award itself. So again, I think her students and the love that you could see in their eyes is what sets her apart. We want to recognize excellence. Now, again, Ms. Stewart represents our teachers across the Commonwealth. We have so many teachers that give so much of themselves each and every day. And we want to show them, hey, we're celebrating teachers. We're celebrating you. We're celebrating all the staff members that give so much each and every day to our kids. So I think it's very important for the kids to see, hey, my teacher, I am blessed to have her in my class. I'm blessed to have Ms. Stewart in my class. She's a national award winner now. We have so many award winners across our state that may never get a badge, that may never get a check, that may never get a pen of any sort of that, but they carry home that award of their kids' love every single day. And so even though they may not get that recognition that they have there, they have the recognition of the students in the class. And we want them to know that we appreciate all. So that's why it's important to have the students here, so the students can see how we value education, how we value our teachers, how we value the people that invest in our kids each and every day. But it's also good for people around us to see, hey, educators are the best. It is the most important profession that we have. They deserve the absolute best as we move forward. Again, the importance of being an educator. The Milken Foundation invests in this award to bring recognition to those teachers that they go out and search for. They go out and find. They look for teachers that have that relationship with their students. But it shows the parents, it shows the others around us that our profession is the most important profession because we make such an impact on our future and who we are. Let's face it, we don't have lawyers. We don't have doctors. We don't have other teachers unless we have teachers first. So to have that recognition, to have that opportunity to say, we're going to celebrate our profession. Yes, Ms. Stewart won the award, and yes, she absolutely deserved it, but we're celebrating our profession of educators, and we thank them for each thing they do each and every day.